how to manually set a custom resolution on your Windows 11 PC. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can manually set a custom resolution on Windows 11 PC. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. The first step is you can use the display settings or the basic resolution option in your Windows PC. So for that, right click in your desktop and here you have to click on display settings. So once you're under here on the display, scroll down a bit and head towards display resolution. Here you'll have the drop down to select a resolution from the available options. Click on this drop down, and if your desired resolution is not listed, you will need to proceed with the next method. But if there is the desired resolution or the appropriate resolution for your device, you have to choose one from here, and the most recommended one is 1920 into 1080, so you can choose that. So once you have done that, the other method is to use your graphic driver software for the custom resolution. So for that, you can close this. Now you have to open up your Nvidia Control Panel. So for that, right click on it and then go to show more options, and here you will have your control panel, that is Nvidia Control Panel. Click on it. So after you have opened up control panel, so under this section at the top left section, there you will see an option as display. Click on it and then click on change resolution, then again click customize. Now create custom resolution. Enter your desired resolution settings. You can enter the width, height and refresh rate, etc. After that, click on test, and if it works, save and apply the settings. Once you have done that, now you can close this, and in that way you can set your custom resolution in your Windows 11 PC. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.